Make breakfast together. Good morning, Mom. Hi, sweetheart. Did you sleep well last night? I had a wonderful dream, but I can't remember. Where's Dad, Mom? He's still sleeping. Dad must be tired. He's been busy all week. Shall we make breakfast for Dad? That's a good idea. Let's cook Daddy's favorite food. What's his favorite food in the morning, Mom? It's banana cake. How do you make banana cake? I'll show you. My co-miss chef, are you ready? I'm ready, madame. First, we're gonna do mashed bananas. We need bananas. Can you get the bananas from the fridge for me? Yes, madam. Here it is, Mom. Thank you. Now, we've got some ripe bananas here. These are kind of small, so I'm going to use 3. Okay, Mom. Put the bananas in a bowl and start mashing. We'll use a fork to mash the banana. I can mash bananas. I will help you. Okay, honey. I need another bowl. I'll mix all dry ingredients. What are the dry ingredients? Flour, baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to mix this one. Next, I'll mix all wet ingredients in another bowl. Wet ingredients? Yes, melted butter, sugar, 1 whole egg, and 1 egg yolk. Milk without sugar, and 2 teaspoons vanilla. Now I'm going to beat them with a whisk. Nice and smooth. Next, add mashed bananas. Mashed bananas are ready. Thanks, honey. Mix wet ingredients and banana. It's time to start incorporating our dry ingredients. Finally, we'll start frying in an oil-free pan at 180 degrees. Dad will definitely love this. How long do you fry? We will have banana cake for breakfast in 20 minutes. I'll go brush my teeth and wash my face. Has Dad woken up yet? Let's take a look. Okay, Mom. What is the best breakfast? Hello, everyone. We come to you from your Daily Life channel. We're here with all the daily questions, but crucial, with the foundations of our lives. With the start of every day, that is our breakfast. Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Bella.
Good morning.
What time do you usually eat breakfast in the morning? I usually get up early to exercise, around 7 o'clock. I start cooking and having breakfast. What an energetic morning.
She's always.
How about Tom?
I usually buy breakfast at the stores near the company and eat it around 8:30.
What's your favorite thing for breakfast?
Hamburgers and a cup of coffee.
And Bella? My favorite breakfast is a slow breakfast with coffee or fruit juice and at least 1 fruit, bread, butter, and cheese. What do you think is the best breakfast? It is breakfast with the family. Family members sit at the table and spend time together. It's a great time together. Thanks for your time, Tom and Bella. We wish you have a great day.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Good morning. Can I ask you some questions?
Of course.
You look like foreigners, don't you?
Yes, we're international students.
Where are you from?
We're from Korea.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat oatmeal, toast, and orange juice. I enjoy fast food, like hamburgers and sandwiches.
Do you think breakfast is important?
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Can you tell me 5 reasons why breakfast is important?
Provide nutrients, prevent weight gain, healthy skin, power your brain, and energy boost.
Wonderful, amazing. Thanks for your precious time. We wish you have a great day.
Have a nice day. Goodbye.
And you, what do you usually eat for breakfast? What is your favorite thing for breakfast?